Hi friends, today in our math lesson you're going to familiarize yourself with two shapes with a square. A square has 4 sides and all the sides are the same. What does that mean? That means if you take a ruler and you measure the side, and the side, for example, is 3 inches here, then it's 3 inches here, 3 inches here. How many inches do you think it's going to be here? 3 inches, because all the sides are the same. They have the same measurement. Also, a square has points. It has 4 points. Okay? The next shape I'm going to introduce you to is a circle. A circle is special because it doesn't have any sides. It's just round, no side whatsoever, just round. Okay, so this is a circle. We're going to begin with our warm-up, and we're going to count 1 to 10. But I have here squares and circles. I want to know how many I have in total. So let's count them. Let's begin. Let's begin by counting from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What have you noticed? When I lined up the circle, the squares and circles, I noticed a pattern. It repeats the same thing. So it repeats square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. I wonder what comes here. Tell someone if at home, what's the next one? And what's the next one? Tell someone at home, what are the 2 shapes that follow the circle? Look at it and tell someone at home, what are the 2 shapes that follow? We are now going to play a game. Match and name the shape with the 2 shapes that we learned today, with the circle and the square. You can play this game with someone at home. It's very simple. I modified it a little bit for us, but you could do this at home with someone. So I'm going to show you the game. I am going to show you a shape, and you have to match the shape with 2 other shapes that are on the table. So I'm going to show you now my shape, and then I'm going to put two shapes. This is my shape, the circle. This is another shape. And this is another shape. I need you to look at my shape, which is a circle, and tell someone at home which of these two shapes match my shape. And then you have to also tell someone at home the name of the shape. Because I have a circle. Which one of these match my circle? Great. Let's try another one. This is now my shape. This is my square. I'm going to put two shapes. You have to find the shape that match my shape, the square. Remember, the square has 4 sides that are equal and 4 points. Have to find the shape that matches mine. One of these two. Tell someone at home which shape matches my shape, the square. I'll give you a few minutes to look at my shape. Now go tell someone at home. We're not going to play a game using these two shapes that we learned today, square and a circle. And you could do this at home with a family member. But I am going to model for you so you can do it with someone else at home. So the game is, I am going to show you a shape, and I am going to have 2 other shapes also. Figure out which shape. Hi, you can play match and name the shape with your siblings or family members. Now, mom and dad, you can play this game or have your children play the game with our student by giving each one a shape, either square or circle. And you hold on to one of the shapes. And you ask who has the same shape as you. For example, a square. And you have to ask the child, how does he know that he has the same shape as you do? And what you want them to say is, because it has 4 sides, it has 4 points, they have to prove it. Why is their shape the same as your shape? Okay? So play this game at home with family members or friends or your children that you have at home. It's quick and it's fun.